呀嗦，嘿呀嗦，嘿呀嗦，嘿呀嗦，嘿呀嗦，
一个梦想和一个你，
嘿呀嗦，嘿呀嗦，嘿呀嗦，
一个梦想和一个你，
嘿呀嗦，嘿呀嗦。第一次睁开眼，我看到你的眼。第一次牵着手，是牵着你的手。独一无二的身材，比星星还要亮，传入掌心的温柔，比阳光还要暖，比阳光还要暖。在高山俯视我们的过去，在回家的路上找寻秘密，一个梦想和一个你 ，Forever with me， 指引我的是你的影子，在回家的路上。
Let us go! Ow! We'll use our teeth. We'll keep it to ourselves.
Let go! Let go! Let go!
Quick, run, Brian!
Huh?
Because he's my dad.
Your dad?
Ashley can stay, can't he?
No way! He'll bring disaster!
I say Becky's new friends can stay.
So what is this place and why is it so deserted, Daniel? Huh?
I don't know. I've never seen anywhere like this place before.
You know, that blue-faced monkey tribe, they showed us no respect, sticking us here.
Come on, guys. At least Becky's a good friend. We should get some rest, huh?
Yeah,
I guess.
Sure.
Hey, there they are.
Keep your voice down. Huh? Those guys are so weird looking, even when they're asleep. But maybe they can't help it. There's not another animal alive can match the style of the golden monkey.
How would we know? We've never been outside Para Valley, and who knows what we'd find if we did. At least they seem kind of friendly.
Come on, Mookie, let's check them out.
Oh, lovely bamboo. It's delicious.
And the award for the best flyer goes to Daniel.
Oh, Mom, Dad, Becky.
Hey, look. Red ants.
Good job, let's watch what happens.
Can't wait.
Oh, will you quit that, Brian? That tickles. Leave me alone. And I was having such a lovely dream. There's ants everywhere.
Huh?
What?
Get out!
Huh? I can see you. So, it was you.
No.
These ants! Oh! Huh?
Oh, my back. Not fair. What do you do that for?
You think it's funny to sprinkle ants all over us, do you? Making fools out of us.
I've had enough! Even those blue-faced kids are picking on us now, and I ain't gonna take it! Let's teach those kids a lesson!
Oh, no. It was just a little misunderstanding.
Yeah, right! You did it on
They're
purpose!
just a couple of kids who wanted to play a practical joke. Just forget it.
Torturing your guests seems kinda impractical to me.
We're sorry. How about we make it up to you?
With the most delicious food in Para Valley.
Yeah, I just love delicious food.
Yeah, well, I don't trust them. Especially after what they just did to us.
Well, a golden monkey never lies about food, and there's more than you could possibly eat. You coming or not?
Oh, sure. Right behind you. Huh?
Better not, Brian.
But I haven't had a decent meal in ages. Don't you think we can trust them, Ashley?
I'm not sure. I'm hungry too, but I think Daniel's right this time. These two just want to serve up more tricks, not food.
You go with them, and you'll regret it. Remember how we trusted those cute little rabbits on Snow Mountain?
Huh? Come on, guys. We faced panthers, crocodiles, snakes. How much trouble could these two cause us? I'm going with them.
That's the spirit. Come on, Brian, let's go.
Brian! We better go with them.
Uh-huh.
So where is this place, huh?
We'll be there real soon.
It's up ahead.
Hey, Ashley, Daniel, it's okay. We're almost there.
Okay.
What a relief.
There you are. See?
Oh, wow. Mushrooms, I love them. Hold tight, here I come. Oh, no, help, I'm stuck. I can't get out of this thing. Hey, booyah, help.
Huh? Calm down.
Help, get
We'll
me
get
out
you
of
out
here.
of
Look
there.
out! Hey! Ah! Ah! How come I'm always the fall guy?
Brian, stop!
Ah!
Brian, hold tight. I'm gonna push you out with this stick.
Huh? No, don't. We trusted you. And you betrayed us.
Get off us! What are you doing?
Right, that's enough now, Brian.
go of me.
Let them go, they're kids. You're crushing to death like that.
You're lucky. If you'd have left it up to me, Ashley, I'd have...
No, you can't do that to kids. Besides, that's too good for them.
It's not our fault, guys. How are we to know that Brian had jumped headfirst into that log?
Oh, in that case, I guess it's my fault, is it?
No, it's not your fault either. You're a panda. You can't help it.
What? So pandas are clumsy. You kids are asking for a whooping. Brr.
Ah!
No,
Percy!
please,
We're
sir,
sorry, Ashley.
no.
Can't you tell him to stop bullying us?
Okay, guys, let's all stop arguing, shall we? But you two would better come up with some real food and quickly. I'm starving.
I can't believe you're still willing to trust us.
Especially after what just happened.
I'm guessing you guys will come through for us. Lead the way.
Right!
Ashley, why should we trust them this time?
'Cause I don't. They're just gonna play some trick on us. You know how sneaky they are.
Yeah, let's ask Becky for food. Who knows what these two have in store for us?
Listen, we need to earn the trust and respect of everyone in Para Valley, even them.
Well, that's true. You're right, Ashley.
Well, maybe we can teach them a little something about respect while we're at it.
Sure can.
Well, here we are.
Say what?
We are?
Follow us.
See you at the top.
Here goes nothing.
Right. Oh, boy. Made it. You know, climbing ain't so easy for a big fella like me. So, this better not be a trick.
Well, there's nothing to eat up here, but take a look down there. You see?
Wow!
Wow, vines with, little flowers. That's cool.
They're called honeysuckle, and the nectar inside tastes like real honey.
But, hang on. So why did you bring us all the way up here, when all of that delicious honeysuckle is way down there?
Well, everything in Para Valley has a season, and you're not supposed to eat food that isn't in season, which means it's illegal to pick honeysuckle right now. 'Cause if you do, you'll get into really big trouble.
But because we're truly sorry, we wanted to give you the chance to try this rare Para Valley delicacy. 'Cause if you just hop over the vines there, you can eat them without getting caught, see?
What are you two doing sneaking up here? I think you better come clean if you know what's good for you.
Huh? It's not against the rules to be up in this tree.
Silence! How dare you talk back to me, children? I'm the village elder, and I demand you treat me with respect. Anything less, and you'll be punished.
Sorry, sir, but will you at least listen to us?
I
Mr.
want the
Albert?
truth, and it better be good. What are you up to? Are you... Ah!
Serves him right. That'll teach him to lecture us.
What?
Huh?
Ow! Thorns! Ouch!
You little liars! You wanted us to fall into the thorns.
Hey, no! I didn't know there were thorns down there.
Stop! Daniel, give him a demonstration. Let him see how good a flyer you are. Knock him dead.
Right, good idea. Yahoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
No! What's he doing? He's not flying!
No! No, I can't look! He's free falling straight to the ground!
Huh? Down into the thorns with Albert.
Here goes. Hey! Ow, wow! Perfect landing.
Yay!
Awesome,
Nice going, Daniel!
awesome.
Thanks, guys. Yeah. Now, let's try some of these flowers. So, just like honey, huh? We'll see. Yeah. It's not honey. It's disgusting. Those little... Ah. Hey, Bobby, Mookie, why don't you come down and try some? You were right, it's delicious.
Oh, no, we couldn't really. It's for honored guests only.
Yeah, Bobby's right. It would be wrong of us.
Aw, come on. Don't turn it down. It's the hand of friendship, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but we're not hungry.
Yeah, we already
can
ate,
eat a
honestly.
Just have a little bit.
Oh, bears love honey. Ow! That really hurt.
Well, bet you can't wait to try these honeysuckles, right?
Well, the thing is, I'm really not hungry.
Mookie?
Don't you want to join your
No,
brother?
thanks. It's getting late. Time to head home.
I guess that'll teach him.
Come on, Daniel, let's go find Becky.
Yeah, okay. You can stay here, Bobby. Enjoy the honeysuckle.
Come on, let's go get some real food.
Cool. Wow, Daniel, you're great at landing now.
Well, practice makes perfect.
Come on, let's head back.
Yeah, to eat.
Careful.
I could have
There are thorns
died back there.
everywhere. Oh, poor Bobby. They're pretty sneaky. They turned our own trap around on us.
Yeah, well, it ain't over yet. I got one more trick up my sleeve.
Hey, wait, don't leave me here. I'm the village elder, you know.
Cool, huh? I feel a whole lot better knowing those pesky kids finally got what they deserved.
Yeah, and who takes most of the credit for that? A certain flying squirrel.
Once I tasted those horrible flowers, it was obvious that they wanted to trick us the whole time. I just wanted to give them a taste of their own medicine, you know what I mean? Anyway, they deserved all they got. Besides, Wasn't it funny when Bobby got that big thorn stuck in his tush?
You're not laughing at us by any chance, are you guys?
Yeah, 'cause that's really bad manners.
Huh?
So, we meet again. Always a pleasure, so how was the honey, huh?
Never mind that. This time we got something real special lined up for you.
You guys, you just don't know when you're beaten, do ya?
So what is it this time? Snakes? Poison plants, maybe?
Well, come. You'll soon find out.
Well, here we are. Do any of you know what these fruits are?
Yeah, they're,
No, we've never seen them before. So what are they?
These guys, they're called the durian fruit. And although they're covered in spines and don't look very good, they're the best fruit you'll ever have tasted. So good, in fact, we eat 3 or 4 a day.
Definitely the best fruit in all Para Valley.
We'll leave you guys to enjoy a delicious feast without interruption.
Goodbye.
Bye,
See you
have
later. What's so funny? What are you laughing at?
What's your problem?
Nothing. Sorry, didn't know it was illegal to laugh here.
And you, Shorty?
Me? I'm just laughing 'cause Ashley's laughing. Laughter is contagious, ain't that right, Brian?
oh yeah, sure. And it's good for the digestion, too. Maybe you should try some after all that delicious honey.
Well, that's nice. We bring you all the way here to try the durian fruit and you just laugh at us.
Okay, we're sorry. Why don't you guys go ahead and have some?
Yeah, didn't you say you usually eat 3 or 4 of them a day?
No thanks, we're not hungry.
You gotta show us how to peel them.
Huh?
Hey, sorry. We, didn't mean to scare you.
Anyway, it's good practice for this new game Brian and I invented. It's kind of like dodgeball, but with a twist.
Instead of a ball, we use a durian fruit. Watch out, Ashley! Look out!
Get away, you big bully! Go away! Serves you right, you bully.
Picking on little kids.
No, that's disgusting.
It smells awful.
Well, guys, I guess you'd have to call that getting you just desserts.
Okay, guys, give it up now, huh?
Yeah, maybe they'll think twice before they try to trick us again, huh?
What are you doing?
Becky, good timing. We were just coming to find you.
We'd have come earlier, but these 2 little devils kept us busy playing stupid pranks on us.
That's right. They tried to get us to eat durian just now. They didn't know you warned us only yesterday not to eat that smelly fruit, so thanks for the advice.
Yeah, but maybe I was wrong. Just look, they seem to be enjoying it.
Huh?
Well, are you really enjoying that? I mean, doesn't it taste awful? It sure smells that way.
Guess you can't judge a fruit by its cover. Yeah, it looks bad and it smells bad, but it tastes fantastic.
Yeah, you gotta try some, Becky. Go on, have a bite.
Huh? No, get that stinky thing away.
I'll give it a try. I'm so hungry I could eat anything. The kids seem to be enjoying it.
Well,
It's delicious.
Here, have a try.
this is great.
This is amazing. It's the biggest fruit in the whole valley, and we've never even considered eating it because of the smell.
We found it first! We found it first!
Yeah, don't forget, we were the first ones to eat it, Becky.
But I was the one who cracked it open. Otherwise, you wouldn't have been able to eat it.
I don't want to brag, but it was my idea to throw the thing in the first place.
Guys, Bobby and Mookie may be the naughtiest monkeys in the valley, but they're also my friends. So could you learn to get along with each other, just for me?
No problem, Becky.
Well, not me.
Huh?
Not till Brian cracks open some more durians.
Stop right now!
I want to fly. Yay! Haha!
So they really flew?
Yeah, why?
Giving them false hopes.
Yeah!
Oh, the little ones are flying.
I'm falling out!
Bobby!
Oh, therefore Ashley must be punished.
You must leave Para Valley.
飞舞的蒲公英，沿着风的轨迹，远离大地，远离我的视线。穿透真心爱就在这里，Love